Dr. Yvette Laverne Adekunle was born on a beautiful Tuesday morning in the local community of Vidalia, Georgia, United States. Having a rich mixed ancestral background linking to nations like France, Togo, Nigeria, and Germany, she grew up with much love for different culture and people, which triggered excitement to start off traveling early in life. Dr. Laverne, as probably called by her colleagues and mentees, has traveled to several world nations and come in contact with over 5 languages, including French, Arabic, and Yoruba dialect in Africa. Being a child with much love for education and study, Dr. Adekunle Laverne holds a PhD of philosophy in Christian education and also a former adjunct professor and graduate at TNT Biblical School, amidst many other accolades. To feel a commitment to support individuals and communities, Dr. Adekunle runs like Sports Production, a non-profit organization that represents over 220 artists, authors, entrepreneurs, and charities in 34 countries, and also the Extraordinary People Award. Extraordinary People Award has recognized more than 500 individuals in more than 40 nations in 5 years of the Grand Style happening. The goal of the Extraordinary People Award is to bring to fore high-impact individuals doing good works and blessing humanities through their skills and ideas. Through a commitment and passion, she has successfully shot like Sports and Extraordinary People Award to prominence and has made it a toast of major publishers as well as television and indie movie producers. A hard-working Dr. Laverne has films to her credit while serving as a producer to production assistant. Dr. Laverne has also graced the screen where she starred in a YouTube series of Ladies in the Pulpit, for which she dabbled as a co-writer and producer. Today, she is a multimedia personality, co-producer, and writer with Women of Ruth Productions. As the assistant director of Come On In International, the CEO named a scholarship in her honor, the Laverne Adekunle PhD Scholarship Fund, and also received a proclamation in her name with John Williams. The energetic and versatile Dr. Laverne continues to serve in and support Global Truth Works, Bingwa, and Better Globe. For her exemplary contribution to fight against Ebola disease, a Ebola awareness campaign project called Wear Green Day for Make a Difference Day received a proclamation from a country mayor. Also, the outstanding effort in the book, The West Lakers Journal, she earned a notable place in history when she attained the prestigious International Book Award and the USA Book Award, respectively. That's not all. Dr. Laverne is a 2-time winner of the prestigious CA Awards in London. Other notable awards and international accolades she has received include the Distinguished Who is Who in Business Point of Light Award and notable 2000 Women. Dr. Laverne embodies dignity and grace, which gave her a place in the Royal Court of Palace of Eze-Ndigbo, Ghana, Republic of Ghana, where she was officially crowned Chief Adan Dioram Mawan of Ghana, which translates to Daughter Accepted by the People. Indeed, Daughter Accepted by the People is a fitting crown and title for High Chief Laverne, who is not only accepted but equally loved by many. Dr. Laverne also represents a Miss Lifetime Elite, one of the 3 deserving crowns, and director of admin at Coin Academy. She has exceptional skills in research, customer service, marketing, and promoting. Dr. Laverne is a shining example. The life and career is an ever-changing adventure with many stages and acts in life. She graduated from Job Corps Cleveland, Ohio, to having an accomplished life. Dr. Laverne Adekunle is a much sought-after speaker and entrepreneur. Her specialties include personal effectiveness and inspirational development. With grace and honor, the entire Extraordinary People Award team applauded Dr. Laverne for her consistent effort towards personal development and community building.